The Ragsdale Solar Project continues to build on the diversification of energy resources we have in the state. As these new technologies continue to develop and come along, people have questions. It helps to have these type of events so people can come in and understand how these projects operate, how they function.
I saw people who were not only excited about a new spirit of investment through innovation in this community, but more importantly, I saw a collaborative force, which it takes that in order to make this thing happen.
I think it's very useful to have these community outreach, and particularly close by where the facility is going to be located.
What we've got to do is keep moving things forward in the state of Mississippi, and projects like this allow that to happen. We see this as a unique opportunity, not only in innovation, but workforce development, but career opportunities as well.
Creating jobs at the local level and turning revenues back into the local school system and the local governments to help Mississippi grow as an economic powerhouse.
When you talk about strategic investment in school districts, you're literally leveling a playing field as it relates to access to resources that some school districts struggle with. This kind of shot in the arm is something that not only this school district is in need of, but it sets the tone for the future as well.
We're glad that partners like Theta, like EDP Renewables, and their partners continue to do what it takes to take these projects over the finish line and continue investing in these rural communities in Mississippi.